Hello everyone. In the last video we talked about what MCP is. Basically, universal adapter what connects AI assistants to your tools. But today I want to show you how it actually works. And I promise it's just 3 simple parts. Let's dive in. So MCP has 3 main pieces: the client, the transport and the server. Think of it like a restaurant. You are the customer, that's the client. The kitchen is the server. It's where all the work happens. And the waiter, that's the transport, carrying messages back and forth. The client is always AI assistants like Claude or Cursor. The server is your actual tools, your files, calendar, database, whatever. And the transport is just the messenger what connects them together. Pretty simple, right? Let's break each one down. First up, the client. This is AI assistant you are actually talking to. Could be Claude Desktop, Cursor or any other app that supports MCP. The client's job is simple. It sends requests and receives responses. When you ask Claude, what's on my calendar? That's the client taking your question and sending it through MCP. Now the server. This is where the magic happens. An MCP server is just a small program that knows how to do something specific. You might have a file system server that can read and write files, a calendar server that checks your schedule, a database server that runs queries. Each server exposes tools, resources and prompts. We'll talk more about those in a future video. The cool thing, you can have as many servers as you want, all connected at the same time. And finally, the transport. This is how the client and server actually talk to each other. There are 2 main types, stdio and SSE. stdio is for local apps, like when Claude connects to a server running on your computer. It's fast and direct. SSE is for remote or web-based connections, like when a browser needs to talk to a server in the cloud. Don't worry too much about the technical details right now. Just know there are 2 ways we can communicate, depending on where everything is running. Alright, let's see it all working together with a real example. You ask Claude, what's on my calendar? Step 1. Your question goes to the client, that's Claude. Step 2. Claude sends requests through the transport, with MCP handling the communication. Step 3. The transport delivers it to the server, in this case, the calendar server. Step 4. The server checks your actual calendar app and gets the data. And then step 5. Then the response flows back through the same path, through the transport, back to Claude and finally to you, meeting at 2 p.m. All of this happens in milliseconds. And there is a beautiful part. Claude didn't need to know how to talk to your calendar. The MCP server handled that. That's the point of MCP, standardized communication. So that's MCP architecture in a nutshell. 3 parts, client, transport and server, each doing their jobs, all working together. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.